Alarms. Upgrade to an aftermarket alarm to gain many advantages over a factory alarm system. For example, aftermarket alarms in general will have better range than OEM keypads. Aside from the remote features, aftermarket alarms are easily expanded to give additional sensors such as motion sensors, sound sensors, or even a tilt sensor. Another huge leg up over factory systems are the optional two-wave features, turning your keypad into a receiving remote which will alert you to alarm triggers. Purchasing an alarm remote start combo is also available. Viper Smart Start. What is Viper Smart Start? It is the ability to remote start, unlock, lock, and track your vehicle all from your smartphone. With a smart start system installed into your vehicle, you get peace of mind always knowing your car is secure, no matter how far away you are. As long as you are in an area with cell phone service, you will be able to take advantage of all the features you would be able to with your keypads, such as remote start, door lock and unlock, and arming and disarming your alarm. With the upgraded GPS Smart Start, you'll also be able to track your vehicle's location at all times. Service package depending, you will also be able to set up fences which will alert you to your vehicle entering and exiting pre-specified areas, as well as track the speed of your vehicle. This feature is great for parents sending their children off on their own for the first time.